everyone. Today we learn some common rhymes. Let's start. The first rhyme is Ringaringa Roses. Ringaringa roses, a pocket full of posies. Hush, 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 we are all tumble down. Now next rhyme is Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Now the third rhyme is Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Now next rhyme is 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a good fat hen. Now next rhyme is Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Now the sixth rhyme is Cobbler, cobbler. Cobbler, cobbler, mend my shoe. Get it done by 2:30. Stitch it up and stitch it down, then I will give you half a crown. Now next rhyme is Baba, black sheep. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master, 1 for my dam, but none for the little boy who cries in the lane. Thank you for watching the video.